Oh, I love this. She's got the Talbot thing on with it hanging off of a snapped wire.
Leave it.
Oh God.
Everything's a bodge job in here.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Hello folks, how are you all doing? So today, Scotland, heading up there. Marie's just picked me up. I had a hospital appointment to go for a bloody scan, calling in McDonald's because we're naughty. And yeah, then we're going to convoy up. Connor's already up there. I'm not sure, Loch Lomond? I don't know. He's at a lock somewhere. I wasn't going to put the hospital bit in because I've never talked about that on this channel before, and I didn't really plan to. However, I always get asked the question of why did you start sort of the whole van life thing, and every time it's a really awkward question, because you know there's a real sort of reason, if you like, and I've never really discussed that, so I always sort of come up with something that's not lying, but not giving the full truth, if you like. So I thought, you know, we're all friends now, I'll just share it. Anyone who talks to me in person sort of knows anyway. But so basically, I had cancer 5 years ago, and today was my last scan. It's a 5-year thing that I was on, like checkups and all of that shit. And yeah, today was my last one. So I've been in remission this whole time, so I'm fine. I'm not looking for sympathy or anything. Please don't. That's not what I'm after. I just wanted to let you know, because I get asked this question so much. Yeah, I had it when I was sort of 21, going on 22. And it was like, you know, obviously it's not great, as you can probably imagine. And also my sort of partner, if you like, girlfriend that I was with at the time, she had it, and unfortunately she passed away. So that, the whole thing just kind of hit me like a wall, basically. And after that, I just sort of looked at my life. I thought, like, what the hell am I doing, sort of thing. You know, it really puts things into perspective when you sort of go through something like that. So I decided to sort of reevaluate everything, and start fresh, basically. That's also when I became a photographer, because I was doing all sorts of jobs before then. I was a motorbike mechanic, I did building work, just a bit of everything. And I was like, what is the most opposite job? Something I enjoy doing, but what is completely opposite to what I am doing right now? And I came up with photography. So that's how that all sort of started. I'd always wanted to travel ever since I watched Long Way Round and Long Way Down with Ewan McGregor and Charlie Boorman. I don't know if any of you have seen it. Ever since I watched that sort of ignited something in me, and it was always there, like, yeah, I've got to travel one day. And then all of that happened, and I was like, you know what, F it, just bloody do it. So got a van and just went. Little Citroen Dispatch, a bit ropey, you know, 2 people in a little tiny van just with a double bed in the back, and went to 14 countries on that trip. It got me into it. It was scary, but it got me going. And then after that, I bought, well, the Beast, as you know it now. Went all around Norway and stuff, and then decided, you know what, I'm just going to live in it. And here we are. I don't know how long I've been living in it now, about 1.5 years, something like that. And my life now is so different to how it was before. I genuinely enjoy it. Like, I can get up in the morning and be happy to get up in the morning and go tackle the day or do what I'm going to do, because everything I do now is something that I am choosing to do. It's something I want to do. So yeah, there you go, history lesson. Don't know why I shared that, but there you go. Here she is. Here's your mum. Here's your mum. Oh my God, Bubble. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I think they give a small dip. I'm unsure.
Right folks, back in the beast. Time to go meet up with Marie and James. Right. Should have some vans lurking around here somewhere. Bonjour. Bobbolina. Ooh. Okay. It's alright, it's already ripped.
It's a half-arse compared to Leon Bolsk. Stop it then, stop it.
Bolsky.
Stop it.
Sit. Sit.
Shush, you're going to draw attention. Come on.
I've already drawn the attention.
Attention.
Right folks, we are about to head off. Oh, it feels good to be back doing something. Oh, it feels good. Start of a journey. Radio cheek! There we go! Oh God folks, you got no idea how good it feels to be actually leaving again. I know we're not leaving the UK, but we're going somewhere new. We're in a convoy and it's awesome. Right, so we've just been and got fuel. Now we're headed off. 5.5 hour journey. Oh, right, let's do it. The struggle is real.
Huh?
The struggle.
Why? I'm knackered.
Yeah.
You're a baby.
Not even halfway, are we?
Oh, Bolsk.
Here, take them.
Them?
Oh, sorry.
Them?
Yeah, my ones lasted about 10 minutes, and I just swapped the other radio. They lasted 10 minutes. So I put the Amazon ones in, and
Welcome to Scotland. Look at that. Hey.
Yes, welcome.
There we go. 124 miles to go to the spot. We're about 80 miles away from the rest of the crew. The transporter's thrown up warning lights, so we're going to pull off the next exit and have a look, because we don't want to go into limp mode on the motorway, because that would be a disaster. Are you going to plug your OBD in or just try and restart it?
I'll plug it in first.
no code stored. Pending codes. No pending codes. EGR OK. Going, I haven't got the W one, that's the problem. Couldn't find the bloody thing.
Which one is it?
Coil, yeah, it's flashing.
Part of the fun, mate, breaking down.
Right, we'll give it a go and see.
Let's go for it.
It's gone out anyway.
Hey, Bob. Hello, mate.
Gone out.
Gone out.
We'll see what happens. I know codes come up.
Right, folks, made it to Glasgow. So we're getting close. This is it. It's literally there.
Is it on the right hand side of this road? There's something there.
Alright.
James is going somewhere.
These guys are shitting themselves. Don't worry lads, we're just trying to find someone. Yeah, our mate sent us the coordinates and it's this. Our mate sent us coordinates and it's this, but obviously that ain't right.
How you looking for?
It's just a mate.
Just looking for a mate, got a fag?
Eh?
Got a fag on you?
Nah,
I
that's
fucking hear about the lot.
I've not seen him, David.
I mean, I said I've
Not seen a couple of big vans like
No,
this.
I mean, not about your pal.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, not about you, I mean, that's your fishing pal.
No worries, sorry to disturb you, mate.
Tell him, Ashley.
What'd you say?
You tried to call him again.
Where you gone?
Oh, you should call him. This is wicked.
You're right, mate. Sorry, bud, yeah, I sent the wrong link by accident.
No worries.
It's only like 5 minutes down the road.
Yeah, I found it.
Did you get the part for night?
Yeah. All good. We must have
Yeah,
drove
cool.
straight past you then.
Yeah, we were going to go to that spot and then pulled in here and thought, oh, this is better.
Frosty Bloomers. What are you doing?
Look, transfer sticker.
Transfer?
Yeah, I picked him up. I didn't even put him down. I literally just picked him from my seat to your seat.
Oh, Melina. Oh, you're in my van now. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, did you have a tiff with your friend Lance? That's not cool, is it? Oh, let me show people my new socks.
Go on then.
Hang on. I've just taken my boots off. Christmas came early for Mary.
Mary.
For Marie.
Don't even know your own name.
They say on them, Vegisaurus. Because I'm a vegetarian.
Is that right?
Yes, and also this.
swag. Alright,
It's very cold.
that's it for today, folks. There's not a lot of filming gone down, I'm afraid, because it was a 7-hour drive and there's only so much you can film. But the real journey starts tomorrow. So
Cold.
it's quite cold, isn't it? Yeah.
Look at that. Goose bimbies.
Goose bimbles. Oh, you.
Can you
You're like a
see?
lizard. Yeah, so sorry if it was a boring video, but it is what it is. Right, see you all tomorrow.
Au revoir.